we are going to paint the layer. So what we're going to do is paint his skin, his hand, and his forearms. So first we need to make a layer so we can paint. I'm going to click onto the Franken layer and then add another layer right above it. And then up above, I'm going to change our normal paint layer to color. So our blend mode is going to be from normal to color. And I'm going to keep my opacity, I believe, at 100. Then I'm going to choose the eyedropper tool and choose the green color. I'm just clicking on his forehead. Then I'm going to choose the brush tool, or quick key B, and let's see what they're recommending. The brush be at 60 pixels. So I'm going to type in 60 and a hardness of 0. And then what we're going to do is control click or command click the thumbnail of the Franken layer. So command click on the Franken layer, and you can see now the area has been selected. So now I have that layer selected, and now I'm going to brush the green right over our figure of our Frankenstein. Now if I wanted, I can use the bracket keys, right bracket, to make it larger, because it's taking forever just to color him up. And I could color his shirt, I can do all this stuff. And because it's selected and the marching ants are there, I don't have to worry about going over. So if I click over here above his head, it's not going to be selected because the marching ants are within the area that's specifically selected. And so I'm just going to go ahead and color more of his shirt, just because I can. And go ahead and save your image, Command S, or File Save As, or File Save. And then to get rid of the marching ants, I press Command D to deselect.